Good morning, everyone. Tony Reed here from the Drone Cadets, here at HARTS High School in Queens, New York. Today we are doing the second annual Aerial Drone Competition Time Warp. Students from all across the 5 boroughs have come here to compete and do the scrimmage, learning what the competition is all about.
Hey guys, I'm Anna Ragubir. I'm the assistant principal at Health, Arts, Robotics and Technology High School. This is our second annual season at HARTS High School. We are very excited to host all the New York City public schools, charter schools. We also invited some middle schools in to consider them for the competition coming up in the spring on March 21st, 2026.
Hi, my name is Luann Cormier and I am with the REC Foundation. We are here in Queens, New York at an aerial drone competition where we have students all the way from middle school to high school all learning how to fly drones. But not only are they learning how to fly drones, in the aerial drone competition, they learn to communicate, they learn teamwork, they learn piloting, they learn coding, and all of those pieces are part of our competition model.
So we have a lot of our missions up right now. We have the teams mission, we have the coding mission, and we have the communications mission as well. Students are very excited. They are laser focused. They're doing their thing, and it's an amazing event that's happening right now.
HARTS High School, once again, believes very much in computer science and robotics, and drones are a big part of that. So I'm glad to be able to open this event to the entire community, so that we can see our students continue to develop their skills to compete at a high level.
Hi, this is Ms. Woolman from Mono Evans 113, and today we are attending a scrimmage for our Drone Cadets program. Hopefully you guys get to be a part of it and actually see the fun and education that the kids actually gain from being a part of it.
Hi, I'm John Exame. I'm the coach of Robert E. Kennedy High School. Our team, the Flying Jaguars, are competing today. Thanks to Tony and Mr. Eduardo, we've gotten into drones in the past year and it's been really good. We've even won a competition one time.
Hey, how you doing? Mr. Kapovich here from MS582 Bulldogs over here in Bushwick. Really appreciate coming down for the drone competition. Our students enjoying this fine school, these fine competitions with these other high school students. Amazing opportunity for our students to learn this new technical trade and really get ahead of the frontier of technology. A lot of my students love this and can't wait to continue this on in their future paths.
Hi, I'm Deidre Aaron. I'm from MS582. Being here was actually really fun. I mean, we learned more stuff. The drones here are more advanced than the ones we have, I can say definitely. My favorite part about this whole thing was, well, everything. Because we got to, well, we did this and then that. So it was more fun on this. Having to learn to knock them down, like to get them to go through more challenges maybe.
I'm Alani. I'm from MS582. And my favorite part today was probably the piloting and learning how to do different obstacle courses with different drones throughout, because the ones that we have, they're not as good as these ones with technology. Coding was pretty tricky, but I think I could probably get better at it. And overall, this was fun.